Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning ladies who are in 50s already. So this vlog, I am making this vlog because I want to share with you all the times that about my fashion styles and everything. So actually guys, when you are in 50, it's really hard for you to um, make yourself a little bit uh, it's hard to impress yourself really, and sometimes you are so bored, you don't have self-confidence, right? So now, because I am a very not all the time, but sometimes I'm so curious about myself, so I am teaching you guys how to make yourself and be looking nicely, beautiful, and gorgeous. Okay, so for now, guys, um, I have a lot of clothes, but I bought those clothes, dresses, very cheap. You will buy dresses when it's sale, okay? Because here in Europe, you can only buy dresses when the season is changing. Okay, so let me see, and I will show you one of the best dress that I bought last summer. So this is gold, like a gold, okay, like a gold, yes. Okay, so I bought this one like €5, I think, €5, uh, maybe 600 pesos, something like that. Okay, so I will tell you. Now I have this one, okay. So I have a little bit big tummy, but you cannot see it. Okay, so look at that. So I didn't take out the tag. Okay, so it's been like that. So it's very beautiful, very beautiful. So look at me. But you can put some, you can put some belt if you want to. You can put some belt if you want to. That's very elegant too. So it's very elegant because look at that. It's so shiny and it's so beautiful. It's really light. You know, it's light to handle it and to carry it. And after that, of course, you need to have a bag. So I bought a bag that is good for me. I don't know because I am wearing black. Yeah, I'm wearing black belt. Maybe I can use this. How do you like this? So this is sale again because December sale here in Europe. So it's €10. So it means €7, €10, and this is €3. So it doesn't even give you €30 or €40. So that's it, guys. Very easy. So only the problem is your shoes. So anyway, if you have shoes, flat shoes or high heel, either way, wherever you go, if you go in a um, uh, very nice road, it's okay to have a high heel, but in a bumpy road, you can, of course not, right? So anyway, that's it. But I think this one, I'd love to have it. But please comment below if you like this, or I have another one, a gold one. A gold one. You see, it's a gold. And this one is with silver because the silver will fit on this necklace. Okay? So, like that. So, I don't know. Silver also is good because of my color of the dress. So, how do you like it? Or this. So, please comment. Yes, please comment below if you like this, like that. Okay, so I don't know how to take a picture of me, Okay, let's take a picture.